Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about the IELTS Speaking Mock Cue Card session. Here you have 1 minute time to practice and 2 minutes to answer. This video will be very helpful for people to get a very good score in their cue card during the exam. So let's start with the question. Describe something you like very much which you bought for your home. You should say what you bought, when and where you bought it, why you chose this particular thing, and explain why you liked it so much. The time to practice starts now.
3 months back, there was a discount sale at the very renowned furniture shop called Avishkar near my house. They have many branches, so I decided to visit that to get idea of the collections they are having. Concurrently, when I was looking to purchase a 2-piece couch set. So when I went there and was seeing the furniture collections, I just saw the perfect couch set that I was planning to get. So I purchased it with a discount of 10%, which is consisting of 3-seater and a 2-seater. So I bought it because it is very unique and it is a limited edition which is only made 3-piece in entire India. And then it is having very bold colors which is very alluring, and then it is like made of red and brown colors. It is very close to my heart because it is made up of marigold flower designs. So I've never seen a couch set with marigold designs and that is making it seems extra special. So one more important feature of this piece is that it is having automatic recliner, which is very useful and helpful especially for my parents, because after their entire tiring day of work, it is very comfortable for them to get a nap or to relax. And then even my grandmom is telling that it's very comfortable and she also feels it pain relieving because it is made up of Recron foam, which is very expensive. And when my relatives and friends met this, they felt it very fascinating and they didn't want to leave our house because it was very comfortable. And there is a necessary that we had to replace the old one with this beautiful piece, because it was probably since my birth the old piece was in our house and it was quite damaged too. And then it is like a dream come true for all of us because we were looking for this perfect set for a very long time. And then sometimes I regret that it is like after buying some things I feel that it's not the value for it, it's out of trend, but I don't think this is going to make me regret. In fact, it is making me, like worth it every single day.